So guys, I decided to sit at the place I found initially on this little corner, and it's called Enclave or Enclave del Mar. So the ocean enclave basically. My first tapas has arrived. I ordered the patatas bravas in the end. And it's actually a really big portion. Wow. So basically it's potato wedges, and they've got their the mayonnaise there with the paprika. And yeah, it is huge. Oh my god. I think this I believe it said $6.90 for this portion. So this is a really big portion, guys. Yeah. Okay, so let's have a little taste. You know I like paprika, so yeah, they taste very fresh. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. It's a little bit hot. Like, I burned my tongue a little bit. But yeah, definitely this is really good, guys. The next course that I ordered, well, it's another tapas, and it's I think it's salmon on toast, but obviously the Spanish way, not your typical British way, do you know what I mean? So yeah, when I finish this one, I think they're going to bring me the next one when I finish this one. So when that one is ready, I'm going to come back and show you what that looks like, okay? So yeah, don't make a mess now. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I got an Alhambra. They call this size bottle a tercio, okay? And this beer is very smooth, it's not that strong. I mean, it doesn't burn your throat like some beers. And actually, the percentage is 5% volume, okay? So yeah. Very nice. I think this was $3.20, I believe. So yeah. Okay, I'm not finishing the rest. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. It's not to standard, I'm afraid. I'm gonna cancel the other plate that's coming. Sorry. It's not to standard. Just gonna finish my beer and then go. Wow. Big portion, but lackluster. Oh my god, I think they were maybe they were refried. I think they were refried. I thought they were supposed to be ovened, roasted, not fried. Okay, I've got the microphone plugged in. At least the sun is out, and the buildings are great, and it's a nice ambience. It's a shame about the quality of the patatas bravas. I wasn't expecting it to be a bad review. At least the beer is to be expected. The beer is to be expected, but unfortunately the fries, I'm extremely underwhelmed, guys. I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised. It's embarrassing, actually. I always say that I love Spain. Now I've moved to Spain. I used to come here every year, but I'm not gonna gas up and pretend that something's amazing when it isn't. And I cannot gas up and pretend that these patatas bravas tasted good. They tasted refried, and the skin. The second plate has arrived. I didn't cancel it in time. So here we have our salmon on our bread. Okay. I'm gonna let you know how this tastes. Okay, so maybe it was a good idea that I didn't have time to cancel the second tapas, because this crunchy bread with rocket. I believe it's rocket and salmon, as they say, salmon. The salmon tastes really fresh and amazing. This crunchy bread with the salmon is the saving grace. Okay, it's the saving grace. Oh my god. It's got some like black seeds on it. I don't know what these are. You can write in the comment section what these black seeds are. This salmon, I mean, the bread is like really toasted, like crunchy, crusty toasted. It's not burnt, but it's just like there's no moisture in this bread at all. The salmon is really, really fresh and nice. And there's like some, I don't know if it's cream cheese or something. This salmon saved the day. That's all I can say. My Azealia Banks nervous laugh. This salmon saved the day. I am not lying to you guys. The salmon saved the day. The salmon. Seriously? It's better to leave with a good taste in your mouth than a bad taste in your mouth. I'm glad I didn't cancel this salmon. I swear to God. Nananto. I just heard these ladies order the patatas bravas, and I was thinking to myself, should I tell them not to order them? Or maybe my ones were just really bad, or maybe they're normally bad. I don't know. I was thinking, do not order them. I'm so glad I had that salmon, I swear to God. Definitely, guys, it's better if you just go, like I said, it's better if you just go to like local small family business. I mean, this is probably a family business, but it's not one of those quaint, small ones. I mean, there's like loads of tables here. You know, when I say go to those local family business ones, I mean, they're the type of places where you go there and you see the owner standing behind the bar. Do you know what I mean? That's what I mean. Anyway, I'm not going to let these disgusting patatas bravas rain on my parade. So I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I don't think I have any memory card left, but yeah, make sure you thumb up, subscribe and share. And definitely be wary of where you eat. Nananto, 992, ya tú saben. Ya tú sabes, okay? Right. Okay, just to give context, yeah, I woke up at 8:30, I had 4 slices of toast at 9 a.m, had a coffee, and then now it's like 3 o'clock or something. So, you know, by now a fully grown adult, hardback adult should be hungry. So I had the bowl of wedgies, and I left literally 3. And then I had the salmon on crunchy toast, like 1 slice of crunchy toast with a slab of a fillet of salmon. So, you know, I don't want to film it again because it's going to be too bait, but if you haven't eaten since 8 a.m. and it's now 3 p.m. and then you've left 3 wedgies in the bowl, that says a lot. Because my mama told me not to waste food because there's children starving in Africa and children starving in India. I grew up in those houses, okay? So when you've got your mama in the background telling you don't waste food because children are starving in Africa and India, for me to waste 3 potato wedgies from a small bowl, well, a medium-sized bowl, you know something's wrong. So I'm going to use the washroom because I'm paying for the services, and then I'm going to leave. My beer is almost finished. And the weather said it was like 16 degrees today, and it feels like it's like 26. So I don't know what's going on. it feels like 26 degrees, not 16. I had to take off 2 layers. It's crazy. So yeah. Yeah. I need to buy new sunglasses as well. That's why I'm wearing a baseball cap, because my eyes are really sensitive. So I need some shade for my eyes. So yeah. Okay, so again, Alpha Beta Seven. Until next time, be careful where you eat. Okay? Because the sun is hot and the tea and shade is hot as well. Okay, so yeah.